working on a car that's been worked on quite a bit, it's possible that some of the hardware is damaged or have been over-torqued. So you have to look closely at the threads of the bolts and the threads of the nuts and whatnot and make sure you're not putting damaged hardware back in the car, because it'll make it a real nightmare to work on, or you can experience a failure due to bad hardware. With things like main stud kits or head stud kits, it's easy because you can just purchase a brand new kit for your engine. However, when it comes to things like cam sprockets, motor mounts, bell housing bolts, flywheel bolts, things like that, you need to carefully inspect them and make sure none of them are damaged. When it comes time to reassemble your engine or car and you've purchased a new main stud or head stud kit, use the supplied lube and the manufacturer's recommended torque spec. In terms of your factory hardware, a little bit of oil on some threads goes a long way, and you want to use Loctite where necessary. The point is, you want to follow the manufacturer's torque specifications on hardware. Don't reuse damaged hardware, and take your time when you're reassembling your car so it will be enjoyable and reliable for you and not turn into a headache. This segment is just a piece of the Real Street Bottom End Buyer's Guide. The full-length version can be viewed on our website by clicking the link below.